Today on Tucker Time, we're going to do Christmas candy science. All you need is hot water, hot measuring cup, peppermints, Christmas cupcake sprinkles, and candy canes! First take your mints and arrange them in a circle. Now take your warm water, pour it in the center of the plate just until it hits the candies. Do you know why the colors go to the center? The concentration of sugar is higher where the candy is than at the center where it's just water. The colors diffuse down from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, kind of like how a river flows from higher to lower. But then it will stop when it's all equal. That's called a concentration gradient. Now we're going to try using candy cane. We're going to pour the water in the middle of the heart candy cane. Isn't it cool when we put the candy cane in the center of the plate? The colors flow to the center and the outside of the plate because it's looking for the lower concentration water. Now I'm going to try cupcake sprinkles. I'm going to arrange them on a pattern on my plate. Now pour the warm water in the middle of the plate. Do you know why the colors don't mix? All the different candies have different chemical mixes. As they dissolve into the water will have different properties too, which prevents them from mixing. This is called water stratification. This happens with differences in temperatures, density, and salinity. The best thing about this experiment is that we get to eat that candy. I hope you enjoyed my video on Christmas candy science. Remember to smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time. What do you call an old snowman?
What?
Water.
Good one.